Hello everyone, and I'm going to tell you that how to hide subscribers in your YouTube channel. But before that, don't forget to press the subscribe button and please press the bell icon for more notifications from my channel. So for this, first we are going to go to our channel and then we click on YouTube Studio, and then we are going to go to settings. After going to settings, click on channel. Then we are going to go to advanced settings. After that, you scroll down and then untick the option that is display the number of people subscribed to my channel. We untick it and then we save it. This is a very default option from YouTube, but you can also change it. Then just to check whether this option is applied to our channel or not, we are going to go back and then we are going to watch one of our video by going to your channel. Then we select one video and let's see. My number of subscribers is not visible. This means that this option is successfully applied to my channel. If you like my video, don't forget to press the like button and please subscribe to my channel Tech Phone Shabby.